delicious banana cake. And remember to stay home. OK, 今天我们要做一个很简单的香蕉蛋糕。OK, the ingredients are 3 to 4 bananas, 3 quarts of a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 cups of flour. 好，我们要用的材料是3到4个香蕉，差不多4/3的那个糖，2个蛋，半杯油，1小条根香草精，3个小条根发酵粉，这个就2杯麦粉。Okay, that's it. We're gonna start putting the bananas into a bowl and we're gonna smash them. 我们要把这些香蕉放进去，把它压一压。Okay, now that we have all the bananas peeled, we're gonna add the sugar and we're gonna start smashing it. Okay, 现在香蕉放好了，已经剥好了，我们要加糖进去，给它压一压哈，这样子。The sugar is gonna help you with the smashing process. 用这个糖哈，那个香蕉会压得比较好。Okay, after smashing the bananas, we're gonna use a little bit of help so you don't stay with big pieces of banana. 这样子已经压好了，我们先用这个帮忙哈，就可以不要把那个香蕉太大的那个香蕉块在里面哈，我们就给它动一动。Okay, we're gonna add in the eggs one by one. 我们把蛋加进去哈，慢慢的一个一个加进去。We're gonna add the other egg. If you want, you can just mix it with your hand. It's okay. You don't need this to mix. 这样子你可以用手这样子拌一拌也可以。OK， 这样就好了。Okay, now that's ready. We're gonna pass all the mixture to a greased pan. Okay, in this case, we're gonna use this pan. 好，现在已经弄好了，我们就要把它放到这边。OK， 先把东西拿走，好好的这样子，再拌一拌。Okay, we're gonna mix it a little bit more. Okay. Okay, now that the mixture is all into the pan, we're gonna proceed and put it in the oven that's preheated in 180 degrees, okay? I'm using a piece of foil, so this helps that the cake, this helped the cake from burning. So I always use this so the bottom is not getting burned. 好，现在已经弄好了，我们就要放在烤箱烤180度 ，around 45 minutes. We're gonna bake the cake. 过了45分钟，我们再看发生什么 ，OK？ Okay, after 45 minutes, the cake is done. 45分钟后，蛋糕已经好了。You just have to let it cool, and you can serve it. 好了，现在蛋糕好了，你就让它冷一下就可以吃了。好了，45分钟以后就 OK 了。OK? Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and make a like. 拜托，请你们一起把我们的蛋糕